on going.
Thank you so much sa kapangalan ko.
Guys, I'm bored, so let's kanta.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Since live on IG.
Guys, she's live on IG. Tingnan mo, mababawasan to.
No, don't. I'm gonna do it. Parang bet ko kumanda.
Oh, this is liveception. Familiar po kayo. Parang nakita ko tongin.
Okay, let's sing.
Yung reaction ko doon,
Since
sorry.
I am bored.
Hoy, tama na po, Gio. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Oh my
I'll keep
gosh.
coming back.
Thank you po. Thank you, Gio. If that's your
There's no
name.
place like
Thank you po.
Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco. La 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 in Disneyland. La la la.
Thank you so much.
Guys, this is sometimes lang. So, I'm gonna sing.
Anong tako name mo?
Sundo again. Parang bet ko siya. Nakita ko kasi sa TikTok eh.
Hi, guys.
Di ko kulangin ang ipipigay.
Should I put yours here?
Am I reneg, guys?
Guys, can you hear her?
Yeah. Just so bored. Hey.
I don't sing eh. Eh.
Kahit tagal kong sinusuyod ang buong mundo para hanapin ka. Ilibot ang distrito ng iyong lumbay. Pupulutin ka.
I'm gonna remove the mask na.
Sinusundo kita. Sinusundo. Asahan mo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Sa akin mo isabit ang pangarap mo. Di ko kulangin ang ibibigay. Isuko ang kaba, tuluyan kang bumitaw. Ika'y manali ka. Sinusundo kita. Sinusundo. Shut up, Zach. Asahan mo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mo. May gusto akong kantahin. Pero
Maybe
sana,
this time.
Pero sana hindi niyo ako i-bash.
What's that?
Guys, wag niyo akong i-bash. I really like this song. I like this song so much. Dami nilang sinasabi, malapit na nga akong makinig sa mga napupuna nila. Nakakasawa din pala. Sabi nila na di tayo magtatagal. Kesyo ganito,
Heidi.
kesyo ganyan. Sa una lang daw tayo masaya.
Guys, vlogs, I mean, live. We're both
wala
live.
tayong magagawa. Tawanan na lang natin. Kahit na ano sabihin ng iba. Pangako ko sa'yo na walang didikta. Walang magdidikta. Sana darama kahit na anong sabihin ng iba. Mahal kita. This is my rockista era. This is my maangas era. Ang dami nilang sinasabi, malapit na nga akong makinig sa mga napupunan nila. Nakakasawa. Baba. Sabi nila na di tayo magtatagal. Kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan. Sa una lang daw tayo masaya. Baba. Wala tayong magagawa. Tawanan. I don't write songs, but I used to do covers before. Kahit na anong sabihin
ng iba.
Pangako ko sa'yo na walang. Bakit ba ikaw na iisip ko umuwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. Yun na lang, nakakakilig.
At sa gabi na hanap kita. It's me.
Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli. Shit, nakakaikilig. Okay. Nakakakilig. Do it daw tayo, Mama G, sabi ni Daryl.
I don't sing.
No, I don't like short hair. Naiinig, naiayamot sa bawat saglit. Kapag naaalala ka, wala naman akong magawa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako sanay na wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At sa gabi na hanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha at naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Di mapigilang mag-isip na baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob mo sa iba.
Sakto 10 na, oh.
Kakabalisa. Knock on wood, wag naman sana. Pop, pop, pop. Then, umuwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako sanay nang wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At Sa gabi hinahanap-hanap kita, hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghihirap, at tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha at naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Umuwi ka na, baby. 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 In my arms again. This time I love you forever. Guys, I am bored. There's no pasok again tomorrow. Oh,
Sino daw pinapauwi mo? Sabi ni Kuya Kyo.
Wala pa akong pinapauwi. Meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweetheart fell apart summer long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again, and it will be just more than memories say. Maybe this time it will be love and they'll fight. Baby, now we can be more than just friends. Shut up, Kyo. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back when. She's feeling like she used to smile way back when. Waiting for this magic moment. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe this time
Lemon dog.
it will be love and they'll fly. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it... La.
Pag ikaw
Okay.
pinakanta sa 7 na.
Actually, at MG, I love this song.
Kay see you on 7.
Maraming beses na
What's
kita
that?
nilayasa. Iniwanan at ibang pinuntahan. Parang lalaki ang hirap talagang malimutan. La! La! Ikaw
don't know the song.
lamang ang aking laging binabalikan. Eh, suave! Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. You don't know this song? Simply no
It's
place
familiar but like
like
hindi ko siya
Manila.
naalam-alam.
Manila, I'm coming home. Walk the streets
Hi, Jad.
of San Francisco. I've tried the rides and
Jad, I wanna try that chicken.
dated a couple guys. Ba't ang bagal? From Sydney. Hinahanap kita,
How about Torete?
Manila. Ang ingay mo na kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mo nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagkagandahan.
Guys, just a song that Bea will
In your
sing.
arms, Manila.
Ang sakit na ng puwet ko.
And promise me you'll never let go.
Through the years.
This song is so sakit. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything that two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away, as long as it's okay. Hey, I'll stay with you through the years. Shout out to Sunshine. Through the years,
Saan mo binasa yun?
when everything went wrong.
Guys, yung mata ko ganun na. Kasi
Oh my
dalawa
God,
yung
my favorite
live.
song.
What's that? Ganun yung mata ko sa comments. Kasi dalawa we're live on IG and on TikTok right
Excuse
now.
me. I love Ate Lisa Love. I love her. I love her. Oh my God, this song is so sakit. This is from Sunny's. Arms that promise you you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful and you. This time I'll love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart.
Yeah, I miss Toby.
Forevermore.
I was actually thinking about him lang yesterday.
We're just too young to know we fell in love and let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to say the feelings die.
It's good,
I
Gangsher.
know how much I needed you at the time. It's turning back somehow as soon as our hearts and soul unite. I know for sure we'll get the feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome time we spent. I don't watch PBB. All we did was break each
Duta, no,
other's
Torete.
heart. Torete, Torete.
May lang pala.
Catch me.
I'm falling for
Wala akong
you.
crush.
And I don't know what
May hinga
to...
ka pala, Mama G.
May?
How can you be so reckless with my heart?
Catch me!
Favorite namin ito.
I'm falling...
Favorite kong kanta na kinakanta ni Tomas. Kakakilig! Nakakakilig talaga.
Sinong Tomas?
Friend namin nila Seki.
Tomas Morato.
Oh my God, I love this song, guys. I love, like, old songs.
What's that?
I know Ate Nisa ever since before.
Anisa's watching?
No, someone commented how I know her. I've known her ever since.
Safeguard extra strong cool.
Get by this mine. You can't win everything.
It's not easy to get my kids going every morning.
Try.
Yes, guys. We're both we're live on TikTok and on IG.
With selected
In a world where everybody gets a happy and I'm strong.
Ah, yan yung kakanta mo.
No. This is nakakakilig.
I love my eyes. I'm planning to go home this September or next month.
Passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be. Taas ng boses ko ah.
Ganda nga eh.
Someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. Something's telling me it must be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers are walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Ooh, something's telling me it might be you, and it's telling me it must be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to make, when with so much love to make. Ooh, I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you. Something's telling me it must be you. Lullabies, and there's so much more no one's ever heard before. Ooh, someone's telling me it must be you.
Ako rin. Ay, gusto ko ipatawa.
Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And a feeling that it must be you. All of my life, maybe it's you, it's you.
How much kaya ang
Maybe
mole
it's
removal?
you.
Yung
I
let this remove.
Hi, JP Polo. Hi, Mama Arvin. Guys, nakaupo pa to ah. Naka-squat pa ako.
Guys, pagpasensya nyo na si Bea, it's relapse R.
I never dreamed.
Hi, Justin.
Thought that dreaming was for kids. Just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Oh, wow, may mga ganon. I believe you. I believe in every word that you say. I love you all the way. Now I could swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you stay till I met you. I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Whoa. Ooh, you and I should be together. Can't you see? Can't you see?
Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100%.
Guys, I just wanna be if I were a boss. Even just for a day, I rode out of bed in the morning.
Hindi ko alam lahat ng piniplay.
The hell? I don't know what it
Ay, alam
is
ko
that
pala.
you've done to me, but it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, it's a feeling that I want to stay. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do, and the constant cute is you. Oh, I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. In the days you look so amazing, it's not a thing, it's I want you to stay with me. On my side, I follow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain what your loving means to me. Time after time I try to fight it. Da, 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 da. Ano kanta yun ni Ezra Mel? Yung Ezra Mel. Ayun! Okay, this is my last song for tonight. Sumakay ako sa jeepney. Hindi yun.
Nagtaka ako.
Di makapaniwala.
Oh, shit.
Ayoko na pumara kahit saan pumunta.
Yan naman kaya.
Ayoko na pumara kahit saan ka kasama.
Oh, hindi.
Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang.
Akin ka na lang.
Wala.
Higit pa sa'yo.
These are old songs. Okay, this is my last song na talaga. Cause I need to take a bath. Oh my God, I love singing this song. You know this song?
I'm not sure.
Ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo ang nadarama ng aking puso. Ang damdamin ko'y para lang sa'yo. Kahit kailan di mapapago. Sakit ng pako. Ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala na nang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang hi QD sa
Saan siya nag-watch? IG?
IG. Hindi ko nais mawali ka kahit sandali sa aking piling. Kahit buksan mo ang dibdib ko, matatapos
Nagzo-zone out na ako.
larawan mo. Ikaw laging hanap-hanap sa gabi araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Ikaw ang buhay at pag-ibig, wala na nang iba. Sa aking puso'y tunay kang nag-iisa. May isa pa akong gustong kantahin. Ang laging hanap-hanap sa gabi at araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwina ay natatanaw. Guys, minsan na lang ako kumanta. Legit.
Nag-post ka na dati, di
Minsan
ba?
lang ako kumanta.
Nag-post ka na dati na kumakanta ka, di ba?
Yes.
I was with you that time.
That was honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang ako sumusunod sa'yo.
Honey,
Mahal kita, totoo, honey, my love, so sweet. In this California. My God, my favorite song. Kung my favorite song ako, ito yun. Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly beside the green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. song. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me up on the tiny tire. Ring, ring, bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh,
Kiss me.
reading in the Milky Track. Okay, bye. Really go na ako. Bye, guys.
Bye.